Hi, I'm Suleiman. In this lesson, you learn about THE as the and the. So if you're ready, let's get down to the business. The pronunciation of THE before both consonant and vowel sounds. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the sound of THE as the as well as in the pronunciations. So, THE as the. This pronunciation happens when the word after THE begins with consonant sounds, as in the book, the man, the sky, the teacher, the keeper, or you can say it as the book, the man, the sky, the teacher, the keeper. Not this thing. ER in both teacher and keeper is pronounced as a schwa sound. However, THE can also be pronounced V for emphasis, right? For emphasis. That's when we are emphasizing something. That is, if you are emphasizing something, you can say it as the, right? Let's move on to the next reason. THE as the. THE, like I said, can also be pronounced as the, as in this pronunciation happens when the word after THE begins with vowel sounds. For examples, the ark, the editor. This OR here is pronounced as schwa sound, right? The editor, the icon, the orange, and the last one is the ankle, the ankle. So the pronunciation changes. This one's over here as the, this one's over here as the. Also, the honest boy. In these words, in these three words, it's also as the. The reason is the H in honest is silent. We do not pronounce the H at the beginning of honest. Honest, right? The hour. The H is also silent here. And the last one, the heir. The heir means successor, right? Someone who is going to take after you or something related to that, right? The heir, the hour, the honest boy, right? Lastly, these ones are exception to the ones we saw a little while ago. So almost everything in English has exceptions, right? So this one is not, even though it begins with U, which is a vowel letter, but the pronunciation is not the university, is the or the university. Even though it begins with U, but that U changes to a ya sound. The university, the uniform, the European country, right? I do hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, subscribe to my channel for more useful, interesting English lessons. See you soon.